Hello friends, welcome to Investable. Today we are going to learn about how to do adjustments for end-fly strategy in a very volatile market, that is V-shape recovery market. Before going into the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow my Telegram group where I will be posting all my trades and live adjustments. Today I am going to show end-fly adjustments in a V-shape recovery market in the weekly expiry. I have opened the Banknifty chart. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Here we will find out a particular week for the V-shaped recovery market. Okay, here there is a V-shaped recovery. Okay, the start date is 18th August and ending at 31st August. So let's open the calendar. 18th August is on Wednesday and 31st August, so it is going to second week, so we will try to select another week. So here there is a V-shaped recovery, so 8th July and 15th July. So 8th July is Thursday and 15th also Thursday, so we will select this expiry. Guys, unlike my last video, today I am going to show how to manage the vega also. So please do not skip any part of this video because you will be getting confused. So I opened opstra.definage.com. So I will give this link in the description. You can log in and you can create your own strategy. So let's go to options, option simulator, Banknifty, the expiry 15th July. Start date 8th July. Payoff date 15th July. So I always create any strategy after 9:30. So let's get the option chain. What is the Banknifty spot price? 35,775. That means we can create an fly strategy at 35,800. So 35,800, call, sell 4 lots. Generally I used to trade with 4 lots, so I am selling 4 lot, 35,800 call, also sell 35,800 put, 4 lots. Okay, so what is the break even? 35,083, 36,517. So I am going to hedge with 35,000 put and 36,500 call. 35,000 put, 4 lot buy, 36,500 put, 36,500 call by 4 lots. This is our payoff diagram. Okay, we will move forward. $35,700, $35,700, $35,600. So the market came down by 200 points. What is the delta? 173, 228. 35,500. 35,472. So what is the delta? 150 and 250. So we are going to start doing the adjustments. So what I am going to do? I am going to sell additional call. Open the option chain. So what is the difference? 100. So we sold 4 lots. Okay, we need to sell call which is around 25. Okay, 36,100 call, trading around 137. So I am going to sell 4 lots. For margin benefit, I am going to buy 38,000 call 4 lots, which is trading around 11.5. Okay, delta 150 and 100 250. Okay, it is managed. We'll move forward. Okay, 35,250. Okay, so the market coming down drastically. Guys, please check if there is any important support or resistance before doing any adjustments. Okay, how much Bank Nifty moved? We sold 35,800 call and put. Now it is 35,250, which means 550 points. Okay, what is the delta? 120 and 80, which is 200. Okay, we will go a little further. The market is keep on coming down. So here what we are going to do is we are going to manage the vega. How much the vega? It is minus 5,500. Okay, so what we are going to do to manage the vega, we are going to simply buy a put option. So which put option we need to buy? Let's see. Okay, so I am going to buy 34,500 put option, which is trading around 128. Okay, I am going to buy 4 lots. Okay, now see the vega, it is plus 363. So that means vega become neutral. This will prevent any further down movement. Okay, we'll go forward. 35,274. We are at the end of the day. Where is the Bank Nifty? 34,960. Okay, so we are in profit of 2,400. Okay, vega is managed. So now no need to worry about delta. Okay, 35,095. We are in loss of 635. 35,141. Okay, we will go further. 35,000, 35,100, 35,186. So the market is very volatile. 35,087, 35,100. So time is around 3:20. We'll go to end of the day. 35,071. Okay, so 12th July 9:20. Bank Nifty 35,324 is moving higher. Go further. 35,300. We are in profit of 760. 35,375. 340. 368. 145. 200. Here I am not doing any adjustment because our loss is very less. 35,200. So time is 3:20. 35,200. Go to next day. Yes, Bank Nifty is 35,000 422. Okay, our profit is 5600. $35 416. We are in profit of 7000. 35 400. 375. 434. 35 550. So we are in profit of 11,000. So now what we are going to do is, the bank nifty almost came back to 35,500. So now we are going to close the call which we sold and the 34,500 put. Okay, so what is the price? Okay, we are going to close 34,500 20 rupees, 36,100 30 rupees. Also we are going to close 38,000. Okay, now see the payoff diagram. So we are in good shape. Let's move further. 12,000 profit, 35,600, 35,620. Let's open the payoff chart. Guys, here there is an important information. After we do lot of adjustments, let's say the market came back to its original position, we have to close the trade. Okay, in our case the market came down by 900 points and then it pulled back 800 points. So we are at exactly mid of our payoff chart. So we have to exit from our positions. So for the video purpose, I am going to continue till the expiry. Okay, let's go forward. Okay, 35,680, 15,000 profit, 35,700, same place. We came to end of the day. Okay, 35,673. Here at 14th July, 13,000 profit. Bank Nifty at 35,530, 35,470, 480, 35,680. So we are in profit of 17,000. 680, 80, 670, 740, 20,000 profit, 750. Time is around 3:20. We are end of the day, 35,660 and 22,000 profit. So we came to 15th July, 35,700. Okay, 35,770, 29,000 profit, 791, 35,900. The market is moving even higher. Profit is 27,400, 35,950, 26,000 profit, 35,840, 31,000 profit. Time is 1:20. Okay, time is 2:50. Bank Nifty is at 35,870, 39,000 profit. We'll go to end of the day. Okay, Bank Nifty at 35,900, profit is 37,900. Okay, so this is how we need to do adjustments for iron fly in a V-shaped recovery market. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet in another interesting video. Thank you for watching.